This short video will guide you through the use of the Smeg stand mixer and useful tips on how to get the best out of it. To set up the stand mixer, firstly lock the bowl in place. There is guidance at the base of the machine to ensure that you lock and unlock the bowl securely. To lock it into place, rotate the bowl clockwise. To unlock, anti-clockwise. Raise the head of the stand mixer by pressing at the end and lifting up. It's now possible to add the accessory that you wish to use. Using the desired attachment, line up the opening on the accessory with the machine. Push upwards and anti-clockwise to secure in place. To remove, push upwards and turn clockwise. To lower the head of the mixer, press the release button at the end of the machine and lift slightly. Then lower the head of the machine. On the top of the Smeg stand mixer, you'll find the speed selector. It goes from 0 all the way up to setting 10. For the dough hook, use settings 1 to 2. This is to cope with heavy mixes. However, if you're using the wire whisk or you're using the beater attachment, you can select any speed. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.